All right, we are live. Welcome everyone. Welcome guys. Everyone, welcome to the stream. Welcome everyone. Let's look for some coins right away. Let's look for some coins. Say hi to me in the chat. I will say hi to you back as always. And welcome everyone. Really happy to have all of you here. Just open some coins. Let me know guys whether this stream is working well for you. The quality, the microphone, the camera, any technical issues? Just looking for some coins for now. We already have like 8 tabs open or something, so we can take a look at those shortly when more people tune in. And you can always show me some coins in the live chat as well. I can analyze every single one of them. But I think we should check the coins from our previous live streams. And this one, we spotted a slow moon like 2-3 live streams ago. It was just at $10K in market cap, and then it went to 56K, it went to radium level. It's almost at radium, soon to be, just 4K left. So this could have been a 5.5x, and the chart, as you can see, is very, very magnificent. Quite literally the classic slow moon chart with this higher low, higher low, higher low, higher low, high pattern, which looks really, really nice. And we should look for some more coins just like this one, because slow mooners really are the wave right now. We can see the trader coin, which we have been screening quite a bit. We'll actually delete the drawings so they don't distract us, but I'll get my Fibonacci back for sure. That's what I always use. And the all-time high is 4 million. We can see the coin touching the dip level again, and as you know, my dip level for this coin is about 900k, and it touched it once, or actually almost twice. The first time was at this, at this dip, 900k level. It was a great opportunity to buy in. And if you sold here, if you sold the top 2x, and you should always take profits at 2x, of course. Here it almost touched the level, not quite, but it did wick down. But now it's touching the level again, and whether it bounces back or consolidates like this will of course depend on the volume, because you can see the volume has been downtrending, but from this point it's actually on an uptrend. So if volume continues the uptrend, I would expect the chart to go up, but if the chart's volume is gonna be shallow just like here and not go up anymore, I would expect this coin to consolidate. But this is my usual dip level. It's exactly at 900k. It dipped down even below that, but this is a great entry if we see volume going up. Welcome everyone to this stream. We are analyzing some tokens. Show me anything in the chat. I was showed this coin in our previous live stream, which is kind of in a trend. You know, misspelling is always a trend, especially misspelling of companies. We saw like Amazon coin a few days ago, which went, I don't know, to 200k. It basically went to Radium and Google as well, and that one we spotted on this stream. And I was showed this one like in my previous stream yesterday. And when I ended this stream, this was the pattern that we saw when it comes to the volume. The volume clearly downtrended from its creation time, and then the price was about at this level, and then I guess the volume kicked in. So we will refresh this chart and see whether the volume has kicked in, because it most likely has, hence the price action now is uptrending. Welcome everyone, we almost have 20 people. So this coin, let's get back our volume indicator. It's now like 1 day old, and the developer, I would assume he is still holding, which is a nice sign. As you can see, holder distribution looks great, and the website of this token, the last time we checked, was amazing. Certainly better than average, not perfect, but better than average. You can see morphers like blue pill, red pill, like this, and then the stages, which is the roadmap, really creatively made, as you can see from here. I like this website, I like this holder distribution, the fact that the developer is still holding, and look at the volume. It was great, didn't die down, and this was like an accumulation phase. Now it's slow mooning for a second wave. We can call this coin a slow mooner, and $20k is still usually a great entry. I usually don't enter coins if there are more than $20k in market cap. Now, this isn't financial advice, we're just analyzing some tokens. And show me anything in the chat. I can see there is 20 people here, so welcome everyone. We're analyzing coins, we're looking at nice entries for some nice charts, nice projects and nice profits. This coin obviously is attractive to me. We're going to keep this open. We're also going to be looking at Trader, even though we can't expect much from it on a shorter time frame, but we'll keep an eye on it for sure. This coin I was also showed in my previous live stream at $20k, and it did go to Radium, which was a 3x. And you can see this, guys. I was actually uncertain about the coin. Full transparency, I wasn't sure about this coin at the time, but looking back at it, it was a real nice slow mooner. But we looked at this coin at about like this level, and we should also check out the volume, whether the volume was consistently present, and it clearly was. You can see the volume never quite faded from this coin. It was more or less always there, and you can see this chart is magnificent. This first wave was kind of risky, debatable, downtrend, whether it's gonna die here, whether the volume is gonna kick back in, but it went for a second wave, and second waves are oftentimes higher than the first wave if everything goes well. And right now, in the end, when it was about to go to Radium, this was a nice surge in volume. Obviously on Radium, none of those coins perform well, just a few do, but this is completely classic pattern, nothing surprising, this was foreseen. You should always sell before Radium. But now we have looked at this coin, I'm going to close it. but this is a nice chart. Completely magnificent and really like enjoyable for my eye. Like this chart is, it's not even high or low. It's just a diagonal pattern, diagonal option, like the best chart you will ever see. But yeah, I'm gonna close this coin now. We're going to move forward. I was also showed this coin. I'm not sure what happened to it. I'm going to refresh the page in a bit. But I told you guys my dip levels with my Fibonacci, they are at 3.8 million and they touched that level twice. And both of those times the coin went up right at my dip level. Those two yellow lines are the dip levels. The first one being not that optimal, but still at a discount. The second one being a nice one. If you bought here and sold here, it's about 3x. From here to here, it's like 4x. But we didn't enter those coins, we analyzed it backwards. Now we're going to refresh this coin and see what happened to it, whether it went up or down, and see the new dip levels. So it's still the same because I'm looking at full house chart. Let's actually take 1 hour chart instead. And those were the dip levels. As you can see, you had hours to buy at this level. Let me zoom out a bit more for you. Can I do that? Not really. 1 hour is too bad. But yeah, 4 hour time frame, you had very many hours to get in here or here. And now it's trading above the equilibrium price. So for this coin, let me take out the market cap once again, but the equilibrium price, which is the average price, it would be at 9 million. So anything above 9 million, you're actually going to be paying premium for this coin if you're looking for a trade. And you should never buy those dips. As you can see here, there already were like 4 tops, which you can see. Now again, it's at the top. And it did went down before, and dips are really a matter of time. They're really a matter of time because people who bought here took profits here, and people who bought here also got to take their profits. And dips are imminent, so they're going to happen, only a matter of time. And the dip levels are 7 million and 4 million for this particular coin. Show me anything in the chat, guys. If you want me to review something, I'm also going to adjust my camera a little bit so you can see me better. Let me know if that's better, but we are going to keep moving forward. We're going to keep moving forward. Those are the coins which I opened on this stream, like almost 10 of them. So let's see what they're about, whether they are good, and if we have any good entries right here. This coin, misspelling of Jeff Bezos, clearly not the first coin of its kind. We have seen those coins before, we have seen them be successful, but if it stands out, if the volume is there, if the community is great, of course, this could perform as well. Now, hold the distribution, someone is owning 10%, which is not that good news. The volume is there, but it's kind of shallowing out right now, as we can see. Hence, we'll take out the volume indicator for some convenience. And clearly we can see now, it gives us much more perspective that the downtrend is very clear in terms of volume. And if the coin's volume is downtrending, I would expect it eventually to downtrend in price action as well. Something like this, unless the volume kicks in. So we're going to keep this open. We can take a look at the website if that is interesting. And there is much text, which I'm not sure if anyone reads. That's the issue with much text. But certainly this website is better than average. That's for sure. They even have links for PUMP.FUN, Dex, Screenet, Twitter, Telegram, and this part of something. I'm not sure what this part means. Can we click on this? Yep. So what is this? I'm not really sure. I'm not sure what that is. But we can see Morpheus again. That's quite interesting. The website is slightly better than average for sure. let's keep an eye on this coin. Show me anything that you want, guys. Also, share this live stream so we can have more people, and also smash the like button, that's for sure. Now this coin is our next one. Let's take a look at analyze this coin. $9K in market cap. Some kind of meme, not sure what this means. Yeah, like I'm reading this, I'm not sure what this means. And the issue with memes is that the meme has to be understandable for everyone ideally. So for example, if you're making a US energy brand, US energy drink brand meme, then not everyone knows about the meme, and it can be an issue when it comes to long-term, potential of the meme. So if it's niched down for a certain audience, usually I'm not that much into such coins. But the volume we can see pretty shallow, and that's just because of that reason I'm going to close this coin, because the volume isn't there. If the volume is not there, the coin isn't interesting to us. 9K market cap, volume indicator, we always need that. Volume is really inconsistent with this coin. There is no website. Naruto coin, I'm pretty sure it's not the first of its kind. Pretty sure there have been dozens, if not hundreds, of Naruto coins. So in that case, you got to ask yourself, guys, from 9K, how much can this coin go up to? It can go to 20K, I could see it going to 20K, but not really more than this. I mean, 15K maybe, 20K maybe, but not more. I don't see it going to radium just because of the meme. The chart as well, it isn't too healthy. It isn't like pump and dump kind of chart, but it's just not healthy. There isn't consistent volume, there isn't consistent interest, and the community I don't think is formed quite yet. And when it comes to the new coins, like at $9K in market cap, simply the community is not yet formed for those coins. If you can find one at $10K in market cap with a great community, buy this gem, of course. But I'm going to close this one. For me, certainly not an ape. And we can make a good example of bad examples. That's how it works as well. We don't only look at the perfect good coins, we're also looking at coins which are not that great. And this coin also has fake volume, which is good and bad. In this case, it's community member probably pumping up this coin, so you can see it on bump order list, but it's artificial volume, so there is no real interest. Next coin is already dumping. That is an issue. If it's already dumping, it's at $9K in market cap, first waiver, that's not too good news. You can see something here. Not sure what this is. Declares war on all JITs. Like, I would say it's really average website, like a news portal. It wants to be like a news platform or something, must read, and here are the news. But yeah, nothing really special about the website. War on JITs, I mean, that is a great like meme. There is an issue with JITs, it's like a meme right now on PUMP.FUN. Dex is ready, serious team, check website, let's freaking go. Dex is ready, does it mean it's paid? He has to show proof, so we can verify that, whether the Dex is paid. Join Telegram for airdrop. You can see here, guys, it's just the developer talking in this thread. There is no real community members who are having a conversation here. There is just the developer, which also is like a bad sign. The volume as well, we can see it's pretty shallow, I would say. We can keep this coin open, but I have no expectations for this particular coin. Volume as well, look at those candles. There is big first candle, but look at the 3 or 4 next candles. Like, I can't even see them on my screen. That's how small they are. Like, this is certainly not an ape in terms of volume. Those transactions are just really small and insignificant, and there is no real interest for this coin. I'm actually going to close it. It's certainly not an ape. certainly not an ape. Bro, why you been so late? Yeah, I was late for 30 minutes. I was actually creating some videos for you guys and really just preparing for the live stream. You know, the mood, the energy to get in the flow. I was like standing on my balcony to have some fresh air, you know, just to kind of meditate before the stream and come in and crush it on the stream, you know. But yeah, I should be more precise with my times, I agree. Can you send me Solana for Sol trading? Well, I would suggest you to watch the videos and start with no money because if you don't have any money to risk, you shouldn't even trade in the first place. Like, you don't need any money to trade. Start trading mentally. Say to yourself, I'm entering at this point and I'm exiting at this point later on. You know, do like a live trade kind of thing. Have a notebook, like a paper, or write something in your phone's notes app, your entries and your exits, and then track your prosperity on there. And once you're more profitable, if you win more than you lose, when you do, you can put some money in. But unless you are, but other than that, do not put any real money in right away, especially if you don't have anything to risk. Should I leave money in every coin when I sell for profit? I actually do not think so when it comes to Pump.FUN coins. When it comes to Radium coins, which are more established at like hundreds of thousands in market cap, then I would leave like a moon bag, a small one for some potential like moon scenario. But Pump.FUN coins, 99% of them will dump, and that's 100% certain. So in that case, in Pump.FUN's case, I wouldn't leave any moonbags. That's really rare for me to do. I barely leave moonbags when it comes to Pump.FUN coins. By the way, guys, ask me any questions in the chat. Show me any coins, any coin analysis that you want me to make. Let me know. We're taking a look at everything and we are looking for some nice coins. This coin, we have already reviewed this coin. I'm not sure why I opened it 2 times. This coin, mag of meme, news and current events from crypto around crypto website. Let's take a look. Let's take a look. You can see the website, really simple. It's a Star Wars meme. Website really is nothing special. Now we have to ask ourselves, why is it pumping then? So holder distribution, that looks clean. Developer in the voice chat, that is good. The community is there, that is great. They're bullish, that also is great. There isn't that much conversation going on. Now the volume is there, that is great as well. Is it an entry right now at 40k? Obviously not. Even if it goes to Radium, just 50% profits, not worth the risk. But it's always good to understand why is this coin mooning, why are coins mooning. What I can see right now here is an uptrend in volume, so volume is on an uptrend, that's good for sure. But let's join the website, let's join the Telegram and see for ourselves what's interesting is in there. Welcome everyone to this stream. Everyone is very welcome and appreciated. Share this live stream, smash the like button. Thank you a lot. Yeah, PooCoin from 3 years ago. I remember that for BSC tokens, for BNB tokens. I also used PooCoin, and yeah, it was great, but it's certainly dead now. How to know when you're being botted? What do you mean? Do you mean that when is your coin being botted, or what do you mean? So this is the coin we're looking at, which is at 40k in market cap, and there is 40 members in the voice chat or the video chat, and there is 100 members in the Telegram group, which is really amazing number when it comes to video chat. And if the developer is talking live to the community and they get to ask any questions, that is magnificent. You get to ask him, if you want to, about the vision, about the project's plans, and about really everything. So that's a great sign of transparency and getting to know the developer and forming an emotional connection with the community, you know? So always take a look at pinned messages as well. They're oftentimes really interesting. DEX is paid, so now we can see one more bullish sign, a huge bullish sign. If the DEX is prepaid, that's very good. Before it hits radium, that's a good sign. Make sure that he has proof, because just a promise means nothing, right? Look at as many pinned messages as you can. Those are really great to get to know the owner, because the owner should talk business. He shouldn't be just hyping up the coin like let's freaking go, we're going to hit trade him. So we want this developer to be talking nice English, to be professional and not kind of broken English, just hype guy, you know? So we can see why this coin is mooning now. Let's go back to the chart. $40 in market cap. We're going to keep an eye on this coin. Our previous coin, which we were checking, Jeff Bezos. Let me delete those drawings from here. Still going up, and it was an uncertain coin with no clear bullish signs, but you can see volume clearly is kicking in, but it's mostly just the community bumping up the coin for a few bucks. So it's really messing me up sometimes. When you look at the volume, you got to also look whether those buys are big and look real, or whether they are smaller type of buys just to create the volume and to bump up this coin. We're going to keep it open for sure. This coin slow mooner, so nothing interesting is happening. This we just checked. This one, which I opened, I didn't even manage to analyze it, already dead. So let's just close this coin. And let's look for some new ones. Unless you have something to show me, guys, that would be nice. From $60 to $230, amazing. That is very nice. Nice profits. Alright guys, show me some coins. In the meantime, I'm going to look for some coins from PUMP.FUN and see if we can find some worthy apes. Let's just keep opening a bunch of tabs at once. If you find something interesting, guys, tell me in the chat. So I'm going to examine those coins and maybe we can find some nice entries. Let's open one more and then we'll examine those 5 new coins. Welcome everyone to this live stream. 30 people. Every single one of you is really appreciated. Appreciated. Now I'm seeing some show. Kui coin. Is it on PUMP.FUN? If it is, I'm going to review it. If not, let me know where is it. But we want to limit ourselves to just Solana coins. So no BNB, no base, just Solana coins. Looking for Kui coin right now. And you also have to let me know which one is it, because there are always so many of them. Crowdy. Interesting. This one. The most replies. Yeah, I think it's this one, right? Yeah, the issue we can see it's on DEX screener. Okay, let's check. Let's take a look. Oh, $20 million in market cap, just 3 days old. I mean, it is kind of old from here, but it's been like performing great in the last 3 days. Interesting. So it's really altcoin. That's an interesting pump, like the Drake's dog, the trend. Or what is this coin about? I should learn more about it, but let's first examine the chart. The chart can tell us a lot already. We should draw it from the lowest point. Zoom out completely. And lowest point. That is going to be hard to get from here. It's the lowest point. Yeah. We're gonna put this here. More or less the lowest point. My Fibonacci, oh no, it's great, it's great. I got messed up for a bit. And we put it to the highest wick. So if you want an entry for this coin, which I think is the most important topic to discuss, because we certainly aren't buying the tops. We don't want to buy the tops. And the dip levels, I have to zoom out again, market cap. This will take some time. Yeah, it reached $30 million in market cap, and the dip levels for it are those two. So 10.7 million if you want to buy an adjusted dip, but if you want to buy a perfect dip, $6 million in market cap. So right now you're obviously paying the premium, or anything above 14 million you're paying the premium. 14 million is going to be the average price at the moment. Unless it goes up, then this all will change and the dip levels will change. But if you want to get into this coin, 10 and 5, 6 million are the dip levels for this particular coin. Let's take a look at the website, I guess, why not? What is it about? Just to learn about the project. And yes, it's Drake's cat, it's the trend, it's been like the trend of the day pretty much. We saw Drake coins on PUMP.FUN as well. This clearly is a big one. What I like is that it has the breed here and the name. It is basically having a description, kind of a story telling point, which is nice. A video about what?
All the cats in the background too. That's a good look.
Okay, so that's the meme. That's where this coin was born from that particular idea. Zero tax. Yeah, the website is pretty average. But dip levels 10 and 6 million if you are interested. We opened a bunch of other coins. This one already dumping. I don't like this chart. Just from the looks of it, buy the dip kind of thing. Not really, because you can see it dip down before 20 minutes ago, but no one is buying this dip. It's not bouncing back. There isn't enough interest, there isn't enough volume, as simple as that. The only volume I see is a fake volume, which is community bumping up this token. Therefore, we're just going to close it. It's simply not good enough for us. Another Drake coin, really going up over time, as we can see. Really a slow Muna. We're going to look at volume to see whether this is even legit, because it looks a bit too good to be true. Look at this chart. Looks a bit weird. You can see the volume really is inconsistent, which I don't like. When it comes to slow Munas, you want to see more or less equal volume, more or less up and down, but always you want to see volume. You don't want to see those bold, zero volume kind of dead zones, 35 people. Welcome everyone to this live stream. Every single one of you is really appreciated, so make sure you subscribe, you like this video, this live stream, and obviously share this live stream everywhere that you can so more people can reach this live stream. the website. This is AI generated, which it looks great, and I wouldn't say it's bad, but you want ideally those pictures to be hand drawn. I don't think it's hand drawn, right? Looks like AI to me. Some kind of a description, that's nice. Photo gallery, all of them are AI made, I'm pretty sure. So it's a simple website, nothing special. And this coin, let's be honest now, I wouldn't buy in just because of the inconsistent volume. Because what guarantees do you have that the volume is going to come back to this? It's a trend, sure, yes, it's a trend, but trends are really short lived. And this coin already has dropped in volume, dropped to zero in terms of volume 3 times. Here, and here right now. There is no volume, so we're not going even to look at this coin. Maybe the trades. Yeah, there is no volume. You can see this, guys. There's only been like up to 10 transactions, like 5 transactions, and 30 minutes ago you can see more trades, but this is useless to us. Welcome everyone to this stream. How's Temi doing at the moment? Let's review our favorite coin Temi, which I'm a fan of. Also a fan of Tommy.crypto. I really like the guy. Watched every stream of his. And Temi really is just consolidating just below the support level. And we just have to take into consideration that right now, guys, the market conditions simply aren't that favorable for Radium and PUMP.FUN coins to go up over time. So short term for Temi, I would say consolidation just like this for days, or as I said in my last stream, even perhaps for weeks, but until the volume kicks back in and Solana meme coins are really hyped up again. If we are going for a new wave, when we are, then I would expect Temi, of course, to resurrect back completely. So now really what we call this is an accumulation phase, accumulation time, an opportunity to buy in. You can lose money short term if you sell, but if you hold long term from here, we can cash out some nice profits when we are seeing this volume in Solana, in the memes, and in Temi. Not financial advice, just opinion, but an educated opinion. This is about to go to Radium. We spotted this at $10k in market cap on my stream, like 2 streams ago. This we can see is dipping pretty heavily. We can see the volume indeed is trending upwards, but it is telling pressure. So this is kind of risky right now. If it goes below this, if it keeps consolidating below this 900k level, I would expect this clearly to drop down in volume and really just slow down a lot towards the bottom. So this is kind of a crucial point. If it doesn't recover from here, if it doesn't bounce back to more than 1 million, I would expect this to go down even more. So hopefully this coin can recover right now. Only Pump and also Volatile coin. I guess it's the misspelling of turtle. We can check them out for sure. $14k in market cap. How new is this? Just a day old? Yeah, like there isn't much to look at, guys. The first thing I'm seeing is a dead coin. I'm certainly not aping in this myself, and you definitely shouldn't either. Completely honest analysis. We are not pumping coins if we think that they aren't good. This coin, $25k in market cap. Go to 1 hour time frame. Now zoom out. Just a consolidation and nothing special for this coin. Really just, to me, it looks like a dead coin. 5-minute volume, non-existent. 1 hour volume, $1. 6 hour volume, just 1k. Really not an ape. Not an ape, unfortunately. Street bets base. We're not looking at base coins at the moment. I've heard about this coin from another YouTuber, I think. I watched a video about it, about that coin, but we're not going to review it right now. Good morning, Gaspard. I like Tammy, but I feel like it needs more marketing. Well, it does need marketing, but Tommy wants to do it the organic way by just doing the live streams. But what we need is a better market, really. Like with a better market, Tammy wouldn't need any marketing at all. Tommy would have more live stream viewers, and of course, the fear would be gone, and there would be no more bleeding and losing money because people are losing money in meme coins right now, and they're really, really fearful to get into the positions. This is just simplified explanation. So, thoughts on Soul Sex. Let's take a look at that coin. Is it on Radium? I hope it's this one. $20 million in market cap. Again, I'm not sure what it's about. We're just going to examine the chart. The first thing that I see, volume kicking in here very, very nicely. And this coin was consolidating for quite a while. For 2 days, you had an opportunity to buy in, and the volume was downtrending. But now you can see a very nice uptrend in volume. It clearly is uptrending by really a lot. And we can see the price action doing the same. Now, are you buying the top? You shouldn't, but if you bought in here, you should take your profits on the way up. That's for sure. But let me tell you about the dip levels as well. So if you are not yet in this coin, this was a fail. If you're not yet in this coin, you can then wait for a nice entry if you're interested in it. Zoom back in. It's currently at $20 million in market cap, and it hit $30K in market cap. We need it to be more precise. That's about right. The dip levels for this coin, we're looking at the price instead of the market cap, but that's fine. The dip levels are 10 million for this coin. This is the first dip level, so it has to drop another 50% from the current 20 million to here, to this level, this yellow zone. Or if you want a better entry, you would have to buy in at 5.5 million, 5 or 6 million. So this is this yellow line. You'd have to buy it at this level, 5.5 million. Then you get a great dip, and hopefully this coin bounces back, especially if there is volume to support it to go up with momentum from that level, which this coin should have no problem doing since it has $20 million in market cap at the moment. So this would be a safe entry. And guys, just so you know, I'm never entering coins like on the top. I'm always screening my dip levels. And if the coin keeps going up, I'm simply not going to buy into that coin. Eventually, it has to come down, so I'm going to buy that eventual dip later on if I'm really convinced in a coin. But I'm not buying this unless it comes to 5.5 million. 10 million still a great entry. You're buying it at a discount, but that's not the most optimal entry. Welcome everyone to this stream. So we will show this coin right now. Let's take a look. It's a DEX screener coin. Is it from PUMP.FUN? Let's take a look. Probably is $30 in market cap, but probably launched about 50-60K level. The current volume in the last 5 minutes, just $4K in volume. This is still fine, especially for this kind of a token. Now, what we can see here very clearly is really shallow volume right now. Right now, the volume has gotten very shallow. And once there is shallow volume, you can expect the chart to go down, and it's still really early for this coin. Let's actually take out 1 minute chart. Um, Really just consolidation, and now the volume trend is way more clear. The volume is at its lowest. So if the volume doesn't kick back in, this is the foreseen future for this coin. However, you can wait and see if the volume kicks back in. If it does kick back in, you can expect the price usually to pump. So the play for this token right now is to wait. That is the play right now. The strategy is to wait. Hami has a strong team. Yeah, like that's one of the main coins, I think. Let's take a look at Hami. Let's look for a nice entry. Yeah, not a main coin, but certainly a popular one. Certainly heard about it before. It's not new either. Nice chart from what I can see right here. $6 million in market cap. We have to zoom out a bit more. We're going to look at daily candles. And it's launched on in March. So it's been here for months. Interesting, we can clearly see a cup right here. Let me draw it for you as well. Cup is nice, also a kind of like a cup with volume as well. Volume slightly is coming back over the days. Now volume 24 hours, that's completely fine for such a coin. 5 minute volume obviously non-existent. Not familiar with the project, I have to say, but let's look for an entry for this coin. It might be an entry already. The all-time high was $30 million, and my dip levels usually for this coin would be 12 million and 6.7 million. You know, safe entries. But in this coin's case, it went even down than those dip levels, which are very, very optimal, and it went down significantly. So this is the time to wait, I think. If volume kicks in with this candle, if it keeps coming over the days, this can be an ape, but you have to understand that it's now at 7 million, 6 million. If it goes to the neutral price, the equilibrium zone, which is 2x, you only get a 2x. So it's a safe coin to like enter, but I wouldn't be sure about making profits with this coin. You would also have to hold it for days and weeks, which I'm currently not doing in this meme coin market, which right now is on Radium very, very dry. I'm not even trading Radium coins unless those are PUMP.FUN coins migrating to Radium, and then of course, but I'm sticking to PUMP.FUN coins. So do as you wish here. The entry is certainly below, certainly at a discount, that's for sure. But the volume has to be there. It's not quite there yet, but it is going up. You're showing me some coins, guys, but let's take a break from that and actually open some PUMP.FUN coins once again. This coin has already died out. This coin $7K in market cap, but we can see the volume is shallow because it's 5 minute candles and it's only at $7K in market cap. Let's take a look. Refresh. Oh, so it has dumped. Now it's more clear. Clearly a dead coin to me. It just dumped in one 5 minute candle. I declare this coin to be officially dead. I don't think it will come back. There isn't gonna be any volume anymore. This coin now, we don't like seeing those dips which are not bought up. It's moving in a downtrend but very slowly. There clearly isn't enough volume for an uptrend or for people to buy this dip. You can even see the only volume I can see is a fake volume which community is just trying to create in order to bump up this coin and make it look more attractive. But this coin, I would say, would continue downtrending unless the volume kicks in. And look at the volume here, it's non-existent. We can actually really close this coin because I think it's going to die and there is no point to concentrate on a token we don't find interesting. This one is slow mooning, kind of consolidating now. Interesting to see what's going to happen. This coin now has its first dip. We'll see what happens. It will take time to examine it again. This as well is moving too slow for us to examine it again. So the play really is to wait with those coins and re-examine them in some time. Welcome everyone. Share this live stream everywhere you can, on the Telegram groups, on Discords, to your friends. Also, the like button is important, and subscribe as well. Attack on Bodens. Interesting. It's a Boden trend. I mean, it's a Boden meme, and perhaps Star Wars like attack. But we can see it's already done. It has already died. $4 in market cap. It just was at 30, and people are saying scam, scam, scam. So this coin just got scammed. We can examine why not, so you guys learn that as well. Clearly, very, very clear, the developer bought for 15 Solana, which is what, like $2K, and that is such a big percentage of the supply that from the holder distribution here, if you can see someone holding like 30%, you obviously should not buy into a coin, no matter how great the meme is or the website or anything. We can see some buys. People just falling for this scam, really. Just the retail traders and PUMP.FUN falling for this BS, for this scam. It's really shocking how many people do not know anything about this scam. The developer put in 15 Solana and he cashed out 26, which means he made 10 Solana profit. $1.5K is what he made in literally 1 minute from people falling into a scam, and then he dumped on them. You can see everyone selling at the same time. They're thinking like, oh, I fell into a scam. I got to sell my pennies. And those people really lost their money. So that's good to know, to examine how those scams work. Let me know if you're enjoying this stream. What can I do better? Give me some feedback, guys. So what I can see here, attack on Bodens. Why can I see 4 coins? Like 4 copycats of that scam coin. That's interesting. And this one as well has dumped down from $15K in market cap, almost 15, to now 0. What is happening over here? Again, the developer bought 15 Solana and then sold for 18.95, which is 4 Solana profit in just 7 minutes for this guy. Probably the same developer. He launched 4 coins at the same time. Let me actually examine this a bit more. We can see more of those coins. What is happening? Attack on Bodens. This is very interesting. Like, I haven't seen this before. Someone creating the same coin so many times and just dumping every single one of them. Maybe it was a copycat of a successful coin. For example, this one has migrated to Radium, yes. Developer holding 35% though. What is this? This is something insane. Members on Telegram, almost 1K. So there must be an original coin or something. Very interesting. The real one is here. So let's take a look at that coin on Dex Screena if it's there. That's very interesting what we are finding right now. One minute old. So many of them. 2 minutes old. 34 minutes old. Here again, 10 minutes old. What is this? That's very interesting. I'm confused, to be honest. But this did go to Radium with 35% of holding, which is the developer. That's too much. You can see here again, those coins keep coming on my front page. This one, $40K in market cap, dead again. Very interesting. Very, very interesting. Dead again. Another coin someone bought for 59 Solana. The developer, then people just come in, buy this coin, completely clueless, and he sells for 68. 10 Solana profit in what, less than a minute? That's a lot. What is happening right now? So many of those coins just really dumping down, and so many of them is live right now. One, two, you can already see two more, which are different. It's not even the same coin. This coin, $9 in market cap, again, developer holding 35%. What is this? For 15 Solana. We can keep this open because this will dump in a matter of time. We know that this coin is a dumper now. This coin, someone is just exploiting something here. Not even sure what's happening, but that's crazy. What do you think, guys, in the chat? What is this even? Very confusing. I've never seen this before. Like, you can see them again. More buttons right here. The same name. The same dumps. Like, all over again. Really crazy. And this will be dumped as well. Just a matter of time. Very interesting. Look how many of those are here. This one, $33K, no replies. Clearly a rug pull again. Look how many. Dude, that is a lot. $53K in market cap. Most of them do not perform, but there is so many of them created. Maybe it's a pre-launch coin where people just have those copycats and then the developers just rug you and bait you. This again already is dead from 30K to 4K back to 0. Perhaps you have looked at this already, but yeah, similar pattern, exactly the same thing happening. A new one, $35K. It is a new one, by the way. How much is he holding now, dude? 70%. Are you kidding me, dude? Are you kidding me? The launch will be on PUMP.FUN. Launch time, as I said, it's probably a pre-launch coin, and someone is just baiting you in for the fake one and just dumping on you then. So that explains it, why there is so many coins of the same name created at once at the same time, and all of them just rugging. So when it comes to pre-launch coins, you guys got to get the link from the Telegram of the coin, because you can't search for them. If you're gonna search, you're going to find those copycats which just bait you in. So the only way you can get the real one, if you are aping into a pre-launch kind of coin, you should get it from the main Telegram group, the link I mean. And we can see developer bought 59 Solana, dude. 70% is what he's holding. And just look at this, guys. People are buying. Are you crazy, guys? Are you crazy? Like, you just got to scroll down or look at holder distribution. So many of those people are clueless here, which is really, really sad. We can see this dumped, again, completely foreseen. Just 20 seconds ago, developer bought for 15 and sold for 15. He's not holding anything anymore. This one was a failure, but so many of them are so profitable for those scammers. This one just dumped again. We can see 10 seconds ago, 765 Solana worth was sold. The developer was holding 70%. Are you kidding, guys? So much. Clearly a scam. How didn't those guys see this? And they're now selling for pennies, as you can see. Nothing. The money isn't there anymore. Their money is gone. Really curious about this. Let's keep looking. And I'm looking to find this real Telegram so we can take a look at it. But again, look, another attack on Boden coin, $30K in market cap, developer holding 67%. A scam once again, someone calling it out, so always look at the thread section. You can see people again falling for this scam, and this guy can sell for a little profit. He can sell for 51 so, 1 so profit, a quick $150 in 1 minute. That's not bad for him. For some fish, it's really bad for those traders. Let's keep looking for those coins. That's really interesting. Welcome everyone to this stream. Pump and dump, yeah, all of them. It's not even a pump and dump because it's clearly a rug pull. Like pump and dump can be organic, but rug pull is not even a pump and dump. It's worse. We can see again. I just came to PUMP.FUN. We can refresh the page again. Top 3 coins attack on Bodens. Top 3. And guess what? All of them are going to rug. This one I would assume is a legit one. He's not trying to impersonate this coin, but he's creating a meme out of this failed pre-launch. So we can check this out. But it's not performing. We can check the market cap. It's not really moving. Yeah, great try at creating a meme. So applause to this guy. Really a great try because it's an original meme. He was online, he noticed this failed launch, those rug pulls, and he's messaging here canceling attack on Bodens. This is a really great try at the meme. It's a shame it didn't perform. I could see it going up. This sort of a meme about such a failed launch and such a rug pull. Again, this one just got rugged. We can see back to $40 in market cap, king of the hill, a new one. As you can see, guys, we just found a trend, people hating on this launch. Another coin now hating on the launch. Look what he's writing here. For 15 minutes, yeah. So it's clearly some kind of a big fail, an unorganized or wrongly done launch. And this had lots of volume, but it's now dead, unfortunately. But we can see potential in this new meme right now, which is hating on this failed launch. Can we find more of those coins? That is the question. I'm really curious to see more of them. This one, developer, holding 16%. Again, it's too much. Clearly a scam. 5.5%. And look, the next 2 traders bought this coin and sold, but it's a scam. Why buy a scam, you know? It's a fake token, not original. All you have to do is search attack on Bodens and you'll see 50 coins with the same name, completely not original, completely copycats, completely scams, and you'll get dumped on. No matter what coin you buy, really. Look at how many there are. Look at how many, really. Is this the right one? 14 replies. Different kind of profile. Let's take a look. And it's on Radium. Developer holding 25%. Dude, again, are you kidding me? Someone holding 10%. That's so much. People saying scammer, scam, rug don't bite. This is definitely a rug. Yeah, clearly it is a rug. It went to Radium though, but it's still going to dump. So this still is a rug. Look at those large transactions. Developer buying for 15. Solana, really shamelessly. This is such a lucrative scam for them, really. This girl, by the way, still trending. And this coin we found at $20K in market cap on my stream from like 2 streams back. And then it went to $600K in market cap, guys. So like 30x. But we didn't ape. Like I thought it's not gonna perform that well, like complete transparency, but it did perform well, but it did drag as well. So attack on Bodens. Let's keep looking at those scams and let's keep learning how they're doing this. Why is it happening? It's all very interesting to me. Let me know, guys, whether it's entertaining to you. Attack on buttons, not off, on buttons. 33 people, welcome everyone. It's nice live stream, a chill live stream looking for coins, learning, education, and not financial advice. Share this live stream, join the Telegram channel, and keep enjoying. So many coins, and all of those guys, you have to understand, guys, they're trying to make money out of rug pulling. You know, all of those coins now, which are under this name, they hope to lure you in to that fakey dakey to then dump on you. So now all of those coins are scams. Like we saw, this coin before was like the recent launch, and now after this coin, there has been like almost 15 new coins. 15 new coins with the same pattern. But let's keep it more interesting, right? Let's now, this dumped by the way as well. Let's now keep this open. Let's keep looking at it from the side, but we're gonna keep looking for some live new pairs and for some news, for some new coins. Another one, by the way, and another one. Crazy, very crazy. I don't know, this one, nice looking chart, kind of higher lows. Cat coins do have to be really, really special. They really have to stand out in order for any of those cat coins to perform. It's really, really competitive in the cat, meme. 11%, that's a bit much. Website, really simple. So far I see nothing special which stands out. People are bullish, but the rest of the signs, I don't feel like it. The website is not great. Developer holding 11%. Is he talking in the threads? He is. So he's looking to make some changes and updates to this website of the coin. That is nice. But other than this, I don't even want to join Telegram. Actually, he just prepays the deck screener. That's a great sign. You always want to make sure he shows proof. That's $300. So he's somewhat invested into this coin monetarily and emotionally and time-wise, of course. I guess we can join the Telegram now. It's uncertain coin though. I'm not certain about it, and if something is not gonna scream bullish on Telegram, then uncertain coins are not an ape, because you should never force a trade. You should always trade only if you're certain about a coin, and if it shows real bullish signs, if you're not looking at it emotionally, 61 members. Always look at the chats, whether there are people talking, because if there aren't, it means there is no community formed yet, which can be problematic, because if the coin dips down, who is buying this dip if the community is not yet formed? There are some messages, but we can't say that they're frequent. Pinned message, the deck screener. Prepaid the deck screener, pinned message. Yeah, nothing interesting here, guys. For me, certainly, this coin which we're looking at, it's certainly not an ape for me. We can keep it open, but it's not an ape for me. Welcome everyone, 34 people. We're looking for PUMP.FUN coins. We are learning here, we are educating you, and we want to make money, guys, always. Dip, no website, nice holder distribution, community is bullish, developer in the voice chat. Let's take a look. Let me speed run those coins a bit, so we keep a nice pace. 54 members, 15 in the voice chat, video chat, pinned message, locking this chat. So they're doing this Twitter thing, that's nice. I've seen this working extremely well. This is basically nurturing and training the community. This is great. This is nice. But other pinned messages, pin message 1, burn completes are burning tokens as well. That is a nice sign. Developing the community token, that is great. So Telegram so far is nice on here. Some people talking, is this meme newly created? Because if the community is creating memes, that is always great. Yeah, nice signs in the Telegram, so always take a look at Telegram, but the risk isn't worth it aping to this coin at $25k in market cap. If it goes to Radium, you can get it 2x, more or less, but is it worth the risk? It's kind of slow mooning as well. For me, 2x, not really worth it, like at least 2.5x. Sometimes you do got to take 50% as well, but you know, you got to evaluate the risk always, like always. And if you are buying in this token, you should always buy the dip, like not the top right here, but probably like something like right here, if it goes down, like just a small dip, because it already had 2 dips and they were kind of small. So we can keep it open for sure. This coin, refresh, 25k, okay. Few more coins, some new coins. Welcome everyone to this live stream. Happy to have you here. And you deserve a lot more subscribers. Thank you a lot. Thank you a lot. So that's probably a real one. EOB on Radium is at like 600k. Yeah, that might be a real one. Now, I've looked for them before. This is what I saw. Like 4 or 5 coins. All of them kind of sketchy. Let me look at it again. So it's clearly this one now. Clearly this one. This one rocked, by the way. Had lots of volume, 95% down. So they caught some people in a rug pull, those copycat makers. This one is clearly real, and clearly it was a lucrative trade. If you entered on PUMP.FUN, it is a PUMP.FUN launch. We should verify that. So if you entered on PUMP.FUN at $5k, let me take out market cap. Zoom out again. Yeah, clearly a PUMP.FUN token launched at like $80k in market cap or 65k, about that level. So if you bought it at 5k, it did go to 2 million. That could have been a nice trade. You know, even if you sold right now at 200k, I mean 400k, still a nice trade, but clearly a risky one. There were so many copycats, like you got to always find the right token, which in pre-launch coins case, you can get from their Telegram group. So they should always send you the coins link when it's going to launch. So do not search for token on Dex Screen or PUMP.FUN because you're going to go into a bait. This is what happened to literally thousands of people right now. There were like almost 100 coins, I'm pretty sure, of attack on Bodens. But now we can see one thing I want to emphasize now, and this is more strategic, because the launch had this much fail. It failed completely with those copycats all over the place and people aping in and losing their money. There will be lots of FUD about this coin, like lots of FUD already even before it launched. Therefore, it's not that of a bullish sign. It's one bearish sign to this token. Now the volume clearly downtrending, but we can see this going up right now. 2.5 million in what, 10 minutes? That is great. 5-minute volume, oh, this is a lot. 400k almost. Definitely curious where this coin can go. You have to understand you have to understand, guys, highly risky trade, highly risky right now. Entering at this dip or anywhere, this coin clearly it's like a wild card. It's a wild card. It could go up, could go down. No one really knows because it has so much volume. So we just got to see. But you know that 95% of them, no matter how good, eventually die. So we can see a downtrend here. Let's see what happens from here. Welcome everyone. Welcome newcomers. Welcome Chaos. Welcome Jose. Welcome Brandon. MK. Welcome Banana. Welcome Anas, welcome everyone. Please check Crowdy. We have already checked Crowdy earlier. I don't remember what I said about it, but if you can replay the stream, you will be able to see what I said. Like, how does it snipe buy straight after the developer creates it? Do you know how people snipe the developer wallets in PUMP.FUN? Not really. I've seen some wallets, like this one wallet, Unfollow Me, is literally on every single coin. Well, not literally, he's not in every single coin, but he's often seen. Not really sure how he's doing it, but it must be some sort of a bot. Certainly not a real person. Some sort of a software for sure. Just sniping and automatically taking profits or has a stop loss or selling point coded in, that's for sure. Yeah, Unfollow Me always does it. Yeah, that one guy really everywhere on every coin. That is not a guy, by the way. It must be some sort of a program, a bot, a software, whatever it may be. And it's pretty much lucrative for him if he's doing this. 38 people. Welcome everyone to this live stream. Welcome everyone. Can you check Andy and Solana? Sure will do. Look at Teddy. BB. We're looking at this coin right now, $400k in market cap. Really curious where can it go. It's going to be like our spotlight coin right now because it had lots of copycats, lots of FUD, and lots of scams around it. So this is a really interesting one. Volume's still nice, but in general, it has been downtrending as you can see from here. We can take a look at Fibonacci levels, but they aren't going to tell us much because this coin is so volatile. Like the wick up is where you put the top Fibonacci, and you can see my two dip levels are those two, the yellow and the first one at 785k, and the bottom one, which is a better dip level, a better entry at 477, and it's not even respecting any of those levels because it's such a new launch, there is so much volatility, so this isn't really helpful. Like any sort of analysis isn't helpful here. If you look at the volume, that is helpful, that can tell you a lot. It is going to be like your main indicator and sign, which you should just track and examine always. Welcome everyone, 41 people, really nice to see. Yeah, we can see lots of people in the chat. Welcome everyone, guys. I'm going to look at all of your coins later on, so hold on for a bit, guys. Top traders, let's see people making money here. Let's see if someone made some money. You can see top traders even aren't making much here. Top traders making just very, very little. So people who bought this on PUMP.FUN, sure, they made money. By the way, someone from the chat said it has 25 holders, which is true, which is sketchy. Isn't this updated? Like it should be, because the volume clearly is real. Like 2.7 million in volume, 25 holders is no way. Let's refresh this. Still the same. And big wallets holding, but this must be not updated. Must be not updated. But you can see here right now, we can see sort of higher low forming for this coin. You can take a look at this. So if it continues with that pattern, it has established itself pretty nicely in that case. So let's keep screening this coin. This, let's see if this is the bottom. We can see this now kind of is the support level as well. This right here. So it came back to this level once, formed the support, came back to it twice. So this is the support level that we have at $250K. Now it's at 600K, by the way. Welcome everyone, welcome all the newcomers. Share this live stream everywhere that you can and subscribe. Give us quick advice to turn 100 into 10K, then 100K. If it's you, how long it's going to take you to turn 100 into 100K? So first of all that you should do is you should track every single one of your trades. You should have a paper on your desk or a paper which you carry everywhere. You note down every single trade that you do, or you can take a look at your phone's notes app, but I would suggest you to have a paper. You write down with your hand every single trade and you track your track record, your consistency, your profitability, if you are profitable even, and if you aren't, you shouldn't put even 100. So you should only put in money when you have been doing those mental trades on paper and you have been consistently profitable. Now, you can't win 100% of those times, but you can win, you should win more than you lose. So it's not about only winning, it's about winning more than you lose. So win more than 50% and then try putting it 100, and then it's only a matter of time. If you have consistency, it's just a matter of time. Can you talk about indicators? My favorite one is the most simple one. It's the volume. Volume can tell you a lot. You can also look at the support levels, the resistance levels. That is always really, really useful. Psychological levels. I know people use RSI, EMA, but I don't like using them. I do use Fibonacci, but it is custom. But you can take a look at this. Like my strategy is just looking at dip levels, and it can't tell you obviously whether the price is going up or down. It can only tell you the optimal dip levels where you can buy. So it can tell you nice entries and it can tell you nice exits when to take profits. So this is what Fibonacci can do for you, but you still got to look at other signs like volume, developer, socials, and all of that, which will form an opinion to you. So Fibonacci is only for the dip levels and exits. But as we can see here, you can also look at the chart's pattern, and I'm looking at the chart right now, and we're witnessing maybe a higher low pattern, as you can see right here. It's quite beautifully forming at the moment, which is a really bullish pattern, as you know, guys. Welcome everyone, guys. Welcome everyone. We're looking at 1 second chart. Look at 1 second chart, guys. $600K in market cap. In the meantime, let's take a look at those coins. This is going up. This is consolidating right now. All right. Attack on Bodens. Let's refresh. Any new copycats, scammers? Take a look at it again. Attack on Bodens. Nothing interesting, like people aren't falling for this anymore. So really just some people made some quick profits by rugging like 5 times, maybe 10 times. But now people clearly know that there is this main coin, which is this one. And it's moving really, really nice right now in terms of its chart pattern, which I like. But not financial advice here, guys. We're just looking for some education for you. That's about it. Can you check our coin? Sure, show me some coins in the chat. Check King of the Hill. The first thing I can see, 0 replies. Bob, King of the Hill. 0 replies, most likely a rug pull. $60 in market cap. Interesting. A nice holder distribution. But you can see something sketchy right here. Why are they all 1.34? This is very sketchy and this is a rugging sign. But we're going to see. It's about at $60 in market cap, which is radium level. And there is no threats, no replies. And it's most likely in radium. It's going to be. That's interesting. No website. Let's refresh. No thread section. It's either a very interesting rug pull or a really fast Muna. And either way, it's risky. Even if it's a fast Muna, it's still very risky. Enter Telegram. Let's take a look. Verify. Welcome everyone, welcome newcomers. It's a very nice stream that we're having. I'm getting better at streaming. I bought this MacBook just to stream. Really happy with the purchase. It works nice. Stream is nice quality as far as I know. Consent messages. Alright. 33 chat participants. 55 members. This, by the way, is a nice number. On the higher end for sure. We're about to go live. Here is the site. So that's perfect timing. Let's check out the website if they have it. And you can see people joining. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Again, welcome, welcome. So people are joining in. You can see numbers going up in the voice chat. So that means excitement for Radium launch. And we can screen this coin to perhaps utilize the Radium strategy. By the way, there is nothing, so it has always been closed, but you can join the video chat or the voice chat, so that's nice at least. By the way, I should exit this maybe, and let it be actually. By the way, join the Telegram calls channel, which is really nice. I'm making announcements of live streams and sending you coins that I'm looking at myself. Now let's get back to Bob. Can we find it again? Is it this one? Yeah, we have to go back now to get it from here. View in Telegram. We are already in. Yeah, let's just wait for Radium for this coin, guys. Let's just wait for Radium. 41 people, welcome everyone. So this looks sketchy, I'm telling you right away. Why would there be so much wallets holding the same amount? That is sketchy, but it did go to Radium. So we're going to see what happens, but I wouldn't say that it's rug proof. How the distribution looks great from the top, but if you look at the bottom, it's sketchy. How is this coin doing? As we can see, guys, it broke its higher low move pattern, which is really bad. If it's broken this trend, broken its momentum, maybe it's coming back to the support level and maybe it bounces back, maybe it goes down. But guys, if it goes down or if it consolidates, it's gonna go down completely. So the only way to save it really is if it bounces. That's what I think. If it bounces, it has some potential to resurrect potentially. I don't know, go up over time. We can see here, it did bounce a bit. We can see here, I'm zooming in a bit. Zoom in. It did have a bounce at this support level pretty much, but it's so minor, it's so little, and if it doesn't have enough volume, that's going to be the end of this coin. 100k volume is last 5 minutes. Welcome everyone to this live stream. Lots of chats, guys. I can't even keep up at the moment. I do want to fulfill all of your requests. We will take it slow with reviewing those coins step by step. Like I can't review every single coin at once, unfortunately. But keep shilling, guys. Keep shilling the coins in the chat. This coin is still going up. And this for me was an uncertain coin. It was ordered $25 in market cap. So it can go to Radium, but what is your profit? 2x. Could be, but is it worth the risk? I don't think so. Consolidation here, which is not nice to see because consolidation usually means a downtrend if volume doesn't kick back in. So we always got to take out the volume indicator to provide some more clarity. And here it's either too shallow or it's not updated. So let's refresh it actually and see whether it will show us the right volume candles. And yes, it does. It's gotten shallower, but the last candle, the present candle, is bigger than the previous three. So we can see a reversal of volume perhaps, even though it's selling pressure. We should just keep screening this coin. So this is now at the support level. Kind of bounced back a bit, as you can see, guys. Green candle. But as you can see, guys, it touched the support level. It's touching it for the second time, which is a double bottom, kind of. But also there isn't enough volume, really. I mean, the volume just has been on a downtrend. 100k volume is much, sure, but it's less than it was before. And you can compare those volume candles here, and clearly this is way more shallower than here. So it's completely expected for this coin to keep downtrending or consolidating unless more volume kicks in. As you can see, it broke even down from the support level. So let's see how it acts now. But the reason for that is it broke its higher low pattern, which was nice and it was promising until this point right here. So from this point on, it's like you lose faith in the token, and community is like pretty sure it's on fire. They're thinking like the launch was failed. There was so much thought about the coin, and now the coin isn't even holding its levels. Big panic for sure. And market is psychological, people are emotional, so this is a great learning point. Interesting what's gonna happen. Let's keep screening this coin. This again is sketchy. Why isn't it getting updated? 25 holders, but it's fine. I'm sure it's not really an issue. Let's keep looking at those coins. 40k, 22k. This coin Bob, we are waiting for it to hit Radium. 40 people in the chat, by the way. Welcome everyone. You can see this coin Radium now. That was very quick. Sometimes it takes 5-10 minutes, sometimes just a few minutes. Now let's get it to market cap. Then 1 second chart, zoom out. It went to 200k already, now at 80k, and this dip looks real bad, but the volume is there, 100k in the last 5 minutes, and it's been live for just 3 minutes. Holders not available. We just got to keep looking at this coin because it's so uncertain, but if you would have to choose whether it's going up or down, clearly this doesn't look healthy at the moment. I mean, you kind of saw here higher, low, but it didn't go up from here. It just broke down like this. So is it bullish right now? Not really. Buying dip opportunity? Maybe, because your volume is coming back in, as you can see. But for how long? It has to be continuous, you know? Has to be continuous. Let me pull out 1 minute chart. Then we can see better candles, which is interesting. Why is it like this? But clearly in a downtrend, in terms of the volume, that is undeniable. For the people watching, welcome everyone to this live stream. Welcome everyone, shield this live stream. On all the coins I bought on Pump, the developer sold. Any tips on how to avoid that? Well, the thing is that this is very hard, like for you to get into every coin and it dumps, because I think the issue is that you must be holding those coins for too long in that case, because if you're trading quick, and trades usually could be a few minutes or maybe 5-10 minutes, only 5-10 minutes at most, this won't happen every single time. So I think the issue is you trading the coins for too long. You're holding those coins maybe overnight or for the long term, but those are quick coins. In 10 minutes, the coin can go up or down, so be quick with your trades. This is my advice. Pretty sure that's the issue in your case. This doesn't look good at all, guys. As you can see here, going down again, it didn't have enough volume to support this uptrend. You can see from down below, the volume has gotten shallower in this point on the chart. And clearly, if there is no volume, the coin is downtrending. I mean, it's really common sense, guys. You can see it's reversing now a bit, but really it's a dead coin, for sure. Thank you for shilling me the coins, guys. Thank you for your shows and welcome everyone. 44 people in the live stream. This is the coin we're looking at, Bob, from PUMP.FUN. Also, this coin, which we were analyzing before, there was lots of fun around this coin. Attack on Bodens, which went to 2 million at its first wick. However, it's now really down at 150k and it no longer has any support level even, and the projection for this coin certainly is a downtrend. It's in a downtrend and really going to keep dying. Maybe a pump here, I don't know, but the projection is really death for this coin. Really a dead coin. But let's keep looking. Let me delete this. Looked weird. But this is at 50k. We saw this at 25k, which could have been a 2x. Pretty nice. This is consolidating, and consolidation means a downtrend. And you can even zoom into the chart, guys. What you're seeing right here is this is the high, all-time high. And then every single candle from there, as you can see, the next one, this one, the red one, is lower. This one as well is lower than this one. And they're just trending down, as you can see. Candles from the top are looking at a downwards direction, like this. And if there is no volume, it isn't going to go back up. We can see this candle right here had a surge in volume, but it was the selling pressure. We can see it going up now. So let's refresh and see was its promising entry. But entry at 25k really is useless to get a 2x. It's really pointless in my opinion. By the way, welcome everyone to the stream. We are breaking our watch record. It previously was 40 viewers. It's now 47. So welcome everyone. Subscribe if you're new. We are doing daily live streams literally every single day, 1 or 2 times a day. And we have found very nice coins on our live streams literally every single time. And also join the Telegram calls channel because I'm dropping my calls there and announcing my next live streams. We can see the volume now is on an uptrend. So this can be great. Just got to keep screening the volume, but it's still consolidating, right? It's still consolidating. Let's come back to our other coin. This is downtrending, no hopes for it. It can have a pump, but volume is getting shallower on the chart as well. And the chart itself, does it look healthy to you? Clearly it does not look healthy. This is not a healthy chart. It was promising here, but not anymore. Welcome everyone. Let's check Bob. Bob again. Yeah, like coins can have such pumps when they are on a downtrend, but there isn't enough volume to support those pumps. Here once again, it's kind of trying something, and you might think I can buy the dip here, and you can, but it's likely to go down, really. It's more likely to go down than up from here, because volume on a decrease. 70k, you might think it's enough, but it's less than it was before. It's still on a decrease. You got to look at those volume candles. And you can see it a better way we need to take a look at 1 minute candles. And as you can see here, the direction of volume is still in the downtrend. You can see it right here. Just downward stairs, and I don't see any reversal for the volume trend. Volume will just keep going down like this. If it kicks in, we can reevaluate this coin. It can be a nice entry still. The hope is not lost for it, but right now at this stage I'm saying that it's rather going down for sure. Let's close this tab right here. As you can see, guys, not doing much. There isn't even enough volume to support an uptrend or a downtrend even. It doesn't really know where to go. It kind of is trying something here, but really hopeless. We can take a look at Aussie coin, which is like #1 on Europe right now, because Tommy.Crypto really promoted it. Really screened it a lot. And pretty sure you want guys to know was its nape at the moment and my dip levels for this coin, 900k, as you can see here. But it's not bouncing back, it's still really consolidating, really just staying on the same level, not doing much, even though the volume is going up from the lowest point. But it's the selling pressure. So this is a crucial moment whether the coin will consolidate like this and perhaps volume kicks in, then there is hope for the coin. Now, if it goes like this, the coin obviously is dead. It does have to hold this level. It can't go much lower than this. If it's going lower than 500k, count it dead, guys. Count this coin dead. So it's risky play right now, but you just want to wait. That is the strategy at the moment. Wait for a consolidation and then wait for the volume to kick in. Then at this level, 900k, it can be a great ape. This coin doing nothing. Bob coin going up on an uptrend. What about the volume? Kind of seeing an uptrend here. The new candle is bigger than the last one, so this might be something promising here. The start of something promising finally. Zooming out, having a better look. Oops. Welcome everyone to this live stream. 43 people. Really nice to have all of you here. It's our viewers record. Show your coins. We don't really have time to review all of them now, but we did earlier in the live stream, and next time you can still show me the coins. I will review them then. But you got to come into the live stream earlier, because at the end of the live stream, like right now, like we already have some coins which we have been screening before, which we have like picked and are looking at. So the earlier the better. Like we are looking for coins earlier in the live stream. We're not even opening any new coins right now, you know. But this one isn't really a promising entry. It's trying to do something, but again, the volume just 30k, which is great, but much down from before. Coming back to this, nothing interesting. This coin, nothing interesting. We're kind of seeing a dip or a start of consolidation. People got to take profits, guys. You always got to keep that in mind, because people who are buying here or on the way up, the psychology is you got to take profits at some level, which people decided to do here. So you always got to take profits, whether it's 50%, 2%, 3%, 2x, 3x. You got to take profits, guys. So dips are imminent, dips are foreseen, so they're a matter of time, and you should always ape during the dips. I'm not sure if I would ape this dip because it was so insignificant. I'm usually waiting for the dips to go down 30 or 50%. 30 or 50%. We have looked at the same charts multiple times now, that's true. So we can look for a few new PUMP.FUN coins, but I got to go offline soon, guys, because I need to breathe some air, and I do want to go for a walk. You know, walking is always the best thing to do. This chart, $15 in market cap, first waiver. No website, no nothing. Holder distribution looks alright, it looks great. Trades, the volume is there, but it's a fake volume. The bumping volume, the fake volume. Let's join the Telegram, why not? Allow. 20 members, not much members, not much of a community here yet. You guys know that the coins which are new at like $10k in market cap or 15, they don't yet have a community formed, which can be an issue because that's why those coins die. The coins die because they're not established here. They launch at just $5k in market cap, so they're simply not established. The communities haven't formed yet. If this coin dips, who is buying this dip? There isn't any community, you know? So if it's a great meme, people will buy the dip. But is it a great meme? It's unique, but I wouldn't say it's a groundbreaking meme. Cat coin investor, yeah, it's a unique one, that's for sure. You can see bump orders here, the fake volume, which is just a community bumping it up. Just a few people, which is a nice sign. It's a nice sign. We can keep this open for sure. Good night, nice stream. Thank you a lot, Jabri. Thank you for coming. Thank you for tuning in. You guys are really appreciated. Check Opal. Alright, that will be the last request that I'm going to go offline. This chart doesn't anymore look healthy. Just going to close this coin. Look at Opal, last coin for this live stream. PUMP.FUN coin, hopefully. If not, we'll check it out on Radium. Is it this one with 12 replies? And it should be maybe this one. Let me know. Or is it on Dex Screener? Or is it on Dex Screener? But those two are clearly dead. 21 and 12 replies, back at $4 in market cap. So clearly they are all dead. And guys, make sure that you subscribe so that you don't miss the next live streams. And then you can show me some coins the next time. Oppo, is it this one? $268k in market cap. Amazing. Let's take a look. Dex screen at Dex tools. Okay. The chart, 1 minute candles, 5 minute candles, 1 hour candles. Let's take a look. Well, what you can see here really is the classic pattern, the first wave, or this entire thing can be the first wave as well, depending on how you want to call it. But from here, clearly, the volume tied down, as you can see, on a downtrend, and the price action as well. And what I see here is a downtrend, really. There is no volume, no nothing in this coin right now. In the last 24 hours, 150k transactions, buys and sells. That's still pretty good, but I don't see any signs of this coin really going up from here. It looks at a very unfortunate situation because the chart no longer looks healthy. If you want this to go for a second wave, you should see volume candles come in like just really big. All of a sudden, really lots of volume has to come in, and this will support momentum, give it momentum for a second wave. But right now, I would say it's certainly not an ape because it's an uncertain stage. It has been this long for 1 week, which is an issue. Nothing is happening with this coin, and if you want to invest in it, you're freezing your money for days or for weeks, and it's uncertain whether it's going to go up even. I would say it's more likely to go down for sure. And thank you a lot, guys, for tuning into this live stream. My voice is actually going away right now as I'm speaking, but guys, I really enjoyed this live stream. I hope that you enjoyed it. Make sure you subscribe, like, come back for more, join the Telegram. My Photon and Trojan links are in the description, and let me announce this next live stream tomorrow. And tune in, guys, tune in again. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching.